Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to manage notifications for a specific app on Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro. So we need to open the settings, and then in the settings we need to go to notifications and status bar, and then you want to go to app notifications. Over here you will find the list of apps sorted by time received. So the most recent notifications or apps that sent you the notifications most recently will be stored at first. And on the right side you have the slider that allows you to turn on or off notifications from a specific app completely. So if you don't want to see notifications at all, then you can simply tap on the slider. Now you can also go into the app, so you can tap on the app in order to also turn on and off the notification, but also you should be able to find specific options related for this app, or actually the notifications for this app. So you can manage individual notification settings over here. And of course, depending on the app itself, you will find the different settings. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!